In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in Lightroom Classic. Start by opening your photo in the Develop module. This is the area where you have all the tools needed to make adjustments to your images. Now, before diving into the blurring process, make sure your photo is ready for editing by checking the exposure and other foundational edits you might want to make beforehand. This sets a good base for the blur effect. Once your photo is ready, look over to the right side of the screen and locate the Lens Blur section. Clicking Apply here is your starting point. By doing this, you're initiating the process that will allow you to creatively blur the background of your image. If this is your first time working with the Lens Blur section, you'll find it to be a straightforward tool that offers a lot of flexibility and creative control. Now, focus on the Blur Amount slider. This slider is crucial as it allows you to define just how much blur you want to apply. A gentle, subtle blur might be perfect for portraits, adding a nice touch of depth without overpowering the subject. On the other hand, a stronger blur can make the subject pop against an abstract background. Simply move the slider to the right to increase the blur, or to the left to decrease it, until you find what complements your image best. Next, let's talk about the focus range or depth map. This feature is a powerful tool, enabling you to precisely control which portions of your image remain sharp and which areas are blurred. Think of it as creating a virtual map that helps Lightroom discern the parts of your image that should stand out. When you adjust this, you can select the subject area manually, or drag the range to fine-tune which parts to keep in focus. This can be especially useful if your subject is in the foreground, while everything else softly fades away into a blur. Utilizing this depth map efficiently ensures that your subject remains crisp and clear, while the background gently blurs, enhancing the overall composition. If you're unsure about your initial choice, don't worry. Lightroom's non-destructive editing allows you to experiment without any permanent changes. Feel free to adjust both the blur amount and the focus range until you achieve the perfect balance. Take a step back, review your image with the blur applied, and make any final tweaks as needed. And there you have it. Your image now has a beautifully blurred background, accentuating your subject just as you envisioned. Whether you're giving depth to a portrait or keeping a landscape's focus dynamic, these tools offer a lot of flexibility for enhancing your photos. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you play around with these settings, the more intuitive it will become. So go ahead, try it out, and see how this subtle background technique can elevate your photography to the next level.